The whole house is clearly centered around the view. My name is Marvin Farr. I'm the principal of Marvin Farr Architects, based in Cape Town. We worked very closely with the client. They love the feel of wood underfoot, and that was a big reason why we threaded wood through the majority of the spaces. Our process, once we decided that we wanted to go for this light wood, is obviously finding the right supplier. We were fortunate enough that Oggie has a lab where we are able to customize the exact finish that we're looking for. This was done relatively quickly, and we chose to use a woodlie white. I mean, the other thing with that is it was actually even more cost effective to do a custom option. So it was a win-win.